Floor mount tub fillers from Gerber provide style with substance as the perfect statement piece to pair with freestanding tubs and complement to Gerber's bathroom faucet collections. Gerber offers 3 styles of tub fillers in a variety of finishes to go with the look and feel of any bathroom scape. Each tub filler comes with a single-function, WaterSense certified hand shower featuring a 59-inch hose for a spa-like experience. And the hand shower's auto-reset diverter ensures your serene soak isn't spoiled by a sporadic spray when you turn on the water. You won't get burned by Gerber tub fillers, literally. The tub filler includes a pressure balance cartridge to protect against scalding when there is any sudden change in hot or cold water supply. The effortless enjoyment of Gerber's floor mount tub fillers actually begins before your first bath, starting with the simple installation. There are a few things to keep in mind. The faucet and rough-in valve are sold separately, and the rough-in valve is installed under the floor. The rough-in valve can be installed in any direction as long as the bathtub center line is aligned with one of the 6 screws on the plaster guard. Properly secure the rough-in to the subfloor structure. The plaster guard has a flat top for easy leveling to ensure the tub filler will be straight. After the floor is finished and you are ready to install the trim, remove the excess plaster guard and seal between the plaster guard and the floor. Ensure the water supply is off. Remove the test cap and test plugs, retaining the 3 bolts to use during the trim installation. Lastly, align the spout direction with your tub location and secure the tub filler trim with the bolts provided with the rough-in. Floor mount tub fillers by Gerber are easy to install, easy to pair with any bathroom design, and easy to rely on for dependable performance. Your biggest problem will be pruny fingers and toes after lots of rest and relaxation thanks to your new faucet.